Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 331866. The case is style of state of Texas versus Naya Michelle Miller. Ms. Miller, is that your full name? Ms. Miller, is that your full name? Naya Michelle Miller?
Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Miller, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Miller, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
I promise.
Okay, Ms. Miller, you may put your hand down. Could you put your hand down? You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Now, Ms. Miller, how are you doing? How are you doing?
Can you tell him I have hearing? I have to read his lips.
Okay.
She has problems hearing you. Yes.
Ms. Miller, how are you doing?
I'm all right. I have to use the bathroom. That's all. I'm tense.
Okay. Do you need to go right now? If
Well,
you
I've
do,
been waiting. They've been making me wait. So I mean, I'm kind of on the edge, but I can hurry through this.
Well, okay, Ms. Miller, I have before me, well, first of all, Ms. Miller, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. West. Mr. West, do you waive a record in Ms. Miller's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, Ms. Miller, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about October 30th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespassing. Ms. Miller, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, I do.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, I have a document before me that, and it says that it's a guilty plea that's in this document. Let's see. And on the paperwork, it says guilty.
We do.
Hold on a minute. Let me go to this document. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be no contest because she got no contest on here. Okay, now, Ms. Miller, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Okay.
Are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
I guess yes. I'm trying to. I heard. Are you pleading no contest because?
Are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to contest or fight the charges?
Right. Yes. Yes.
Now, Ms. Miller, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments on the tablet. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials MM or NM that are on a line next to a box that's checked nola contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. Miller, did you also sign this document?
Yes, I did.
And Ms. Miller, on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes.
At the top of the same document, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And Ms. Miller, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Miller, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, I do.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your
Yes.
knowledge? Ms. Miller, are you a citizen of the United States?
Am I a citizen?
Yes.
Yes, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
And Ms. State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer States 1?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states 1.
No
Any
objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. And State, you like to also offer States number 2? The probable
Yes, Your
cause?
Honor. State offer states 1 and states 2.
No objection.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. West, you've advised and counseled Ms. Miller. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller, your attorney, Mr. West, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Are you satisfied with your attorney's representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Ms. Miller, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
In exchange for the defendant's plea of no contest in this case, the state is recommending confinement in the Jefferson County Jail for a period of 8 days. Your Honor, we're asking that the court give defendant credit for the 8 days previously spent in jail, making this a time served plea agreement. And we're also asking that the court use defendant's time served to both tax and retire the court costs.
Ms. Miller, the state is offering that you serve 8 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already spent 8 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case, Ms. Miller, is $342, but you will not have to pay the $342 court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired. Ms. Miller, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Okay. And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Ms. Miller, I will follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Miller, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. You're free to go follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.